The INZIDOL 150FT RGB Eaves lights offer a smart lighting solution with dynamic color modes that synchronize with surrounding sounds, making them perfect for parties or daily use. These lights are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring they remain vibrant and functional regardless of the climate. With vibrant RGB lighting, these lights can enhance any outdoor setting, creating a welcoming atmosphere whether for festive occasions or peaceful evenings. Installation is straightforward with the peel and stick adhesive, and the lights can be easily controlled via the Lotus Lantern app, allowing for tailored lighting schedules and effects. The lights are built with quality assurance in mind, featuring a certified power adapter for safe use and low energy consumption, ensuring they run efficiently and safely. If any installation issues arise, INZIDOL provides quick support to resolve any problems within 24 hours, ensuring a hassle-free experience.